Hello friends, this is software testing. Here are the testing principles. Test objectives. Testing is the process of exercising a program with the specific intent of finding errors prior to delivery to the end user. What testing shows? Here, an indication of quality, performance, requirement, conformance, and errors. Testing principles. All the tests should be traceable to customer requirements. Tests should be planned. 80% of errors uncovered during testing. Testing should begin in the small and progress toward testing in a large. Testing should be conducted by independent third party. A strategic approach to software testing. Testing strategy provides a process that describes for the developer quality analysis and the customer the steps conducted as a part of testing. The testing strategy includes test planning, test case design, test execution, data collection, effectiveness evaluation. The strategic approach for software testing can be: before starting testing process, formal technical reviews must be conducted. Various components of the system are tested, then interface is tested. That is, entire computer based system is tested. Different testing techniques can be applied at different point of time. The develop the developer of the software conducts testing for the large project. Independent test groups also assist the developers. Testing and debugging are different activities that must be carried out in software testing. Debugging also lies within any testing strategy. This is the testing strategy where code unit testing. These are the sequence testing strategy. Here, system engineering, analysis, modeling, design, modeling, code generation. Testing strategy. We begin by testing in the small and move toward testing in the large. Here are the verification and validation. Verification is nothing but set of activities that ensures that software correctly implements a specific function. Thanks for watching the video.